Exercise 6.5, question number 3. In figure 6.53, ABD is a triangle, right angle at A, and AC perpendicular to BD. Show that, now there are three parts, AB square is equal to BC into BD. Second part, AC square equal to BC into DC. And third part, AD square equal to BD into CD. So here I am going to do the first part, as all three are to be done with the same criteria, angle, angle. So after watching the video for this first part, the remaining part you can do. So let's prove it. Now in such cases, select the triangle in a very specific way, where when we are requiring the ratio to be squared, that should come in both the sides of the triangle, but not in same way. Here, by watching this video, you will understand that in what way the triangle is to be selected. So here I am going to take in the whole triangle and the part of the triangle. Whole triangle means triangle ABD, and the part of triangle, for the first part I am taking this one. Okay. So in triangle ADB and triangle CAB. Now why we have taken in this way? See, in this triangle ADB, I have started the whole triangle ADB with the right angle A. In the same way, in this triangle, in this part, I have taken the triangle C, angle C, which is also right angle. So angle A and angle C both becomes the right angle for their particular triangles. And at last, angle B, which is common in this part also and in the whole triangle also. So here the first angle and the last angle are coming in the same order. The center part D and A are not in our use. So here angle A is equal to angle C, each 90 degree. And angle B is equal to angle B, which is common. That means triangle ADB is similar to triangle CAB by angle criteria. That means if the two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. We will use this property. AD upon CA is equal to DB upon AB is equal to AB upon CB. Now out of these three parts, these two parts are useful for us. Let us take them. DB upon AB is equal to AB upon CB. That implies, if we cross multiply it, AB into AB is equal to DB into CB. Therefore, AB square equal to DB into CB, which we had to prove. In the same way, you can do the second part and the third part by choosing the triangle in that order in which their corresponding sides comes in that way, that after proving them similar, when you take the ratio of the corresponding sides, this should give you the order of sides in such a way that by cross multiplying you should get the square. Okay, try it.